Binder. Best conditions for your success.
The role of the CO2 incubator is being completely redefined. The precise maintenance of growth parameters in cell culture is all important, now more than ever. The demands of science are becoming ever more complex. The new challenge is to create a growth environment for cells like their natural surroundings. This enables us to ensure a precise foundation for the science of today and tomorrow. Binder is the first manufacturer to take future demands in the area of research and biotechnology into account. In close cooperation with well-known institutes and establishments all over the world, we have precisely elaborated these future demands. With the help of our know-how and our sense of what's possible, highly conscious of our responsibilities, we have used innovative solutions to develop a system which precisely simulates what nature provides. Constant equilibrium for all growth parameters so that complex development processes can carry on safely and reliably over long periods of time. The difference between us and all the others is that we use the principles of nature rather than technical standards as the model for our development work. We have considered completely new technical solutions in order to achieve three basic premises: the independence of growth parameters from one another, the auto-regulation of individual growth parameters, the dynamics of growth parameters. This has enabled us to perfect the technology with the closest possible attention to nature. At the same time, we've also been able to reduce dependence on technical standards which limit the potential of the cell culture. With pioneering spirit and persistent single-mindedness, we have achieved it: the simulation of all but natural growth conditions. In spite of our love of innovation, we have never lost sight of the essence of our task: to provide the most professional technical basis possible for scientific progress. Because we have a common goal: to achieve results that are more and more exact. Binder CO2 incubators already show where the demands of tomorrow lie, namely, in cell and tissue production as an important component of modern regenerative medicine, in the reliable maintenance of culture parameters in reproductive medicine, controlled growth process in pharmaceutical research, in safe tissue production with adherence to all international regulations and requirements such as cell culture under cleanroom conditions, GLP, GMP requirements. Cells in vitro cell cultivation removed from their natural community have special need of protection. The growth milieu cannot vary, and effective defense mechanisms against potential contamination risks, analogous to those in nature, must be provided by technical means. Binder is the only manufacturer to have a completely effective safety plan. The only three-phase decontamination concept in the world consisting of sterile incubation conditions, contaminant-free growth process, 180 degrees Celsius hot air sterilization. The development phase has a profound effect upon quality. We therefore give matters particularly thorough consideration during this phase. Many constituents are already put through demanding testing procedures before they go into serial production. This attention to quality continues in the production phase. With highly progressive robot equipment and production plant, we achieve all but error-free working. For safety, however, each individual piece of equipment is tested down to the last detail in an extremely up-to-date quality assurance procedure. With a thoroughness that is typical of Binder, we adhere not only to legal regulations but also to those that are stricter still, our own. Binder has always offered the best price-performance standard. What started off as a revolution in 1991 is a role model today. This is something our users particularly appreciate. After all, they know that the best is the most economical way to success. Our great research and development expertise, along with extended serial production in conjunction with state-of-the-art production processes, create this value added. With this temperature system, the values relating to precision and dynamic performance far surpass those for existing incubators. One further advantage is the unlimited sterilizability of the whole interior in conformance with standards. Apt line jacket air technology is far superior to the slower responding water jacket system in this respect. The interior temperature of 37 degrees Celsius is restored within only 3 minutes of opening the door. This is clearly faster than other air jacket systems. And the short heating times also make it considerably more dynamic than a water jacket system. The Apt line system ensures completely homogeneous temperature distribution. The advantage for the customer is every preparation is cultured under identical conditions. Because of the superior performance and precision of the air jacket system, it does not need fans in the interior, unlike